everyone, welcome to Cynthia Montana channel. Now I'm gonna talk about Axie Infinity, or we call it AXS. So before I started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just gonna give you some prediction using a technical analysis. Okay, we will start it now. Enjoy, everyone. What will be the lowest price of Axie Infinity in the future? It's gonna be up to 167.3 US dollar. What will be the highest price of Axie Infinity in the future? It's gonna be up to 206.35 US dollar. Will the Axie Infinity price increase in the future? Yes. Axie Infinity will increase according to our predicted data in the future. A good opportunity for you to invest on the Axie Infinity. Investment in Axie Infinity is a profitable or loss-making. Yes, Axie Infinity is a profitable based on our forecasted. Whether the price of Axie Infinity will be downward in the future? No, Axie Infinity price will not be downward based on our estimated prediction. In 1 year from now, what will be the one Axie Infinity be worth it? It's gonna be roughly up to 81 US dollar. What will be the price of Axie Infinity? After 2 years, it's like gonna be at 96.24 US dollar. After 3 years, it's like gonna be at 86.39 US dollar. After 4 years, it's like gonna be up to 122.12 US dollar. So this is all about it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any question, just let me know. Put your comment below. And if you wanna know more about the other cryptocurrency, you can also check on my playlist. The name is cryptocurrency. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day. Bye bye.